Hey there, curious minds, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's both exciting and mind-blowing. What if we could live at the bottom of the ocean? Picture this, cities, homes, and entire ecosystems all beneath the waves. What would life be like in an underwater world, and how would we adapt to survive there? Let's dive right in. The ocean is a mysterious and largely unexplored place. Over 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water, and yet, we've only just scratched the surface when it comes to exploring its depths. But what if, instead of just visiting, we could actually live there? Let's explore the possibilities of underwater cities. First off, let's talk about the biggest challenge: pressure. At the deepest parts of the ocean, the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. So, how do we survive down there? Well, building structures that can withstand these extreme conditions is essential. We'd need materials that are super durable and able to handle the crushing force of the water. Fortunately, scientists and engineers have already developed technology that can survive at these depths. For example, submarines and underwater research stations like the ones in the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the world's oceans. These stations are built with reinforced materials like titanium or special composite metals that protect us from the crushing pressure. So, if we can build structures that can withstand the pressure, what about everything else? Well, we'd need a reliable source of oxygen, food, and energy. These are the essentials for survival. Oxygen would be supplied using technology like oxygen generators, which extract it from the water, or we could have sealed ecosystems with plants providing oxygen through photosynthesis. When it comes to energy, the ocean is full of potential. Tidal and wave energy systems could power underwater cities, providing a sustainable and renewable source of electricity. And if we look deeper into the Earth, geothermal energy from underwater volcanoes could also be used to heat and power our cities. Now what about food? It turns out that the ocean is already a great source of food. We could farm fish, seaweed, and other marine life right there in the ocean. Vertical farming techniques could also be adapted to grow crops in controlled environments, using water instead of soil. With these sustainable farming methods, we could create a self-sustaining ecosystem for humans living underwater. Imagine growing crops in a huge underwater greenhouse, surrounded by glass walls with fish swimming by. It's not as crazy as it sounds. The idea of underwater farming is already being explored, and some believe it could become a reality in the future. Another key challenge would be transportation. How do we get in and out of the ocean's depths? One solution could be advanced submersibles or special elevators designed to take us between the surface and the deep ocean quickly and safely. Deep-sea submersibles, like the ones used by researchers today, could be adapted for everyday use, allowing us to travel between the ocean floor and the surface. But it's not just about getting down there. We'd need to find ways to deal with things like waste management, communication, and even recreation. Could you imagine swimming with marine life every day, or exploring alien-like underwater landscapes? Life at the bottom of the ocean would certainly offer experiences that are unlike anything we could ever experience on land. In fact, there are already some plans in the works for building underwater habitats. One example is the Ocean Spiral, a concept designed for an underwater city by the Japanese construction company Shimizu Corporation. This city would be a self-sustaining, floating, and submerged habitat for thousands of people, using renewable energy sources and farming systems. So, would living at the bottom of the ocean be possible? With advances in technology, materials, and renewable energy, it's not entirely out of the question. While there are still plenty of challenges to overcome, the idea of an underwater city is becoming more and more feasible every day. Who knows, maybe one day we'll be living with the fish and dolphins in a beautiful, sustainable underwater paradise. What do you think? Would you want to live at the bottom of the ocean? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the most fascinating ideas out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.